100 watts, 75 watts, 60 watts.
Dad, what are you doing?
Just doing a bit of light reading. So I love the new rig. There's a couple things I'd like to change, and I'm gonna change. The LED lights inside are very bright. I like the lights. They're puck, they're LED, they're low wattage, but they're extremely bright. They have dimmer switches. I went to Amazon, found the dimmer switch, ordered it, and put it in the master bedroom. I'll be showing you that one. For the other ones, they're in the control panel. It's a different type of switch. I ordered these knobs, dimming knobs, and click them on, brighten, dim. Installing that. I also added some lights in the compartment doors. There were no lights in there. A few of them had lights, I should say, but I needed to add some lights in the other ones. I'll be showing you those as well. Here's the dimmer switch in the master bedroom. Controls these lights. I will dim them. As you can see, they're very bright. So according to the instructions, looks like we are going to combine the red and white wire connected to one pole of the switch or terminal. Then the black wire goes to the other terminal. Wire nutted in, simple as that. Here's the control panel that has the switches for kitchen lights, living room lights, and the awning lights. We're going to go ahead and install the dimmer switch here. First we're going to remove the panel. 6 screws. Get to the wires behind. Got the screws out. These are the switches we're going to be changing out. Living room, kitchen, which they call accent, and the awning lights. According to the directions, we're going to combine the white and red wire to one terminal and the black wire to another terminal. Take the old switch out, put the new one in. Go ahead and pop the old light switch out. Make sure you turn off your power before doing any of this, or pull the fuse for the specific circuit. And here's the finished panel. Living room, dim and bright, and off, and kitchen, bright, dim, and off. Here's one of the compartments. I have the motion sensor battery operated lights, and it's too bright right now, so I don't think it's gonna go on. Oh, there it goes. Up there, just 3M'd to the frame. And when I open the door, it comes on. Close the door, it goes off. Lights it up pretty good. And I have this in several compartments. Also, since we're on lights, I did a backlighting for the TV in the living room. Plugs into the USB port on the back of the TV. Every time you turn the TV on, it comes on. You can change the colors, pattern via Bluetooth. Also, links below, I'll be showing you that. And there is the behind the TV lights. Again, they just stick all the way around the back of the TV and plug into the USB port right behind the TV. That way, every time you power on the TV, Lights come on, powered off, they go off. They change colors, follow music, Bluetooth controlled.